It took us 47 days to travel around the world. It was neat because we were interviewed in many places. Word would get out that we were making a trip around the world. The C-150GO is Canada 150 Global Odyssey. We wanted to commemorate Canada's birthday. 2017 was, on the 1st of July, was Canada's birthday, and that's when we took off. Literally, the day I took delivery of that helicopter, I thought, man, you could fly this around the world. It's such a fantastic helicopter. My name is Bob Dengler. I'm a retired mining engineer, and after my mining career, I took up helicopter flying. The plaque commemorates the trip around the world and lines the owner and pilot, myself, and co-pilot, our son Stephen. It took 1.5 years to get the permits to fly around the world. We started in Toronto, and we had a great send-off. It was a fantastic trip. We had a certain amount of trepidation crossing from Canada to Greenland, and then from Greenland to Iceland to the Faroe Islands. Those were all trips that we couldn't have made it without a bladder in the helicopter, and that gave us almost 100 miles of extra range with the helicopter. It performed flawlessly. The helicopter never gave us the slightest hiccup on the entire trip, and I thought that would be the case. The helicopter is very easy to fly. There's really only a few things that you have to monitor constantly, but everything is just so intuitive. For example, all your pressure and temperatures are arranged in such a way, one glance and you see everything. You kind of don't have to pick them out around the panel. It's really well thought out. The controls are so effective. This helicopter has Pratt & Whitney engines. The whole helicopter is designed to be super reliable. In Canada, it was demoed by Bell helicopter pilots on a couple of occasions. So it has been used more than just in pictures to show people what a tremendous helicopter it is. I got to know the Bell people pretty well, and they've been tremendous supporters. And if I had any kind of an issue with the helicopter, I could phone them and they could describe what to do, or who to call, or how to fix it, or whatever. Just tremendous support. And the same applied to the Dallas-Fort Worth facility. I would go there regularly for my refresher courses. And again, I would fly in with the helicopter, and they would say, well, we'll just check it over for you. And they would go through the whole helicopter, and there was never anything wrong. It's just a tremendous helicopter. They take great pride in what they produce, and they have tremendous support. Over the years, I've managed to get to know some of the pilots as well as the executives there. It's been a wonderful experience, really. To me, there's only one helicopter in the world, and that's a Bell.